Now here we're adding mixed numbers, but this time we're going to get our answer by changing both of our mixed numbers into improper fractions. So first we have 2 4/5 plus 2 2/5. We can change 2 4/5 into an improper fraction. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 4 is 14. So that's 14/5 as an improper fraction because the denominator stays the same. And we need to add 2 2/5, but we can change that to an improper fraction as well. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 2 is 12, so that's 12/5 as an improper fraction. Now we know that when we add fractions, the denominator stays the same in our answer, and 14 plus 12 is 26. So as an improper fraction, our answer is 26 over 5, or 26/5. But we can change that back into a mixed number by dividing. 26 divided by 5 is 5 remainder 1. So our answer is 5 1/5, because 5 times 5 is 25, and then we need one more to get to 26, so to get to the numerator of our improper fraction. Now we have 2 3/4 plus 1 3/4. As an improper fraction, 2 3/4 is 11/4, because 2 times 4 is 8, and then 8 plus 3 is 11. We're adding 1 3/4, so that's 7/4 as an improper fraction, because 1 times 4 is 4, plus 3 is 7. When we add fractions, even improper fractions, the denominator always stays the same in our answer. 11 plus 7 is 18, so as an improper fraction, our answer is 18 over 4, or 18/4. But we can change improper fractions back into mixed numbers by dividing. 18 divided by 4 is 4 remainder 2. That's because 4 times 4 is 16, and then we need 2 more to get to 18. So our answer is 4 2/4. So now let's show fraction bars to understand what we did. For this first question we had 2 4/5, so that's 2 wholes and 4/5, and we were adding 2 2/5. We changed both numbers into improper fractions, so that gave us 14/5 and 12/5. Putting that together, we got 26/5, because remember, each of these parts is 1/5, and we have 26 of them. But to change that back into a mixed number, we divided 26 by 5, and that gave us 5 wholes and 1/5 as our answer. Then we had 2 3/4, so 2 wholes and 3/4, and we were adding 1 3/4. We changed both numbers into improper fractions, so we had 11/4 plus 7/4. Putting that together gave us 18/4 altogether, because remember, each of these parts is 1/4, and we have 18 parts altogether. But when we change that from an improper fraction into a mixed number, we got 4 wholes and 2/4 as our answer. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe, or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.